Hey guys, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, and if you want to support the channel, check out my book. A link to it in the description below. Hey, what's up guys? Deke, relaxshacks.com. Little impromptu video here, kind of just hanging out, enjoying the weather in a hammock by my tree house. Here's what I want to talk about. You know, times are weird right now because of the whole COVID-19 coronavirus thing. And I hope all you guys are safe, being smart, this, that, and the other thing. We won't get into that. Unfortunately, my wife is an essential employee, so she's daily putting herself at risk, which stinks. What I want to talk about though is because some of you guys are, out of work. A bunch of my good friends have lost their jobs, and I feel for you. Times are very tough and strange. But right now, I've noticed that I am absolutely killing it, and I want to spread the word and share the wealth, so to speak, killing it on Facebook Marketplace, selling stuff. I started to wonder why. I sell stuff all the time. I find stuff on the side of the road, flip it, clean it up, fix it, make it into something else. And I'm just looking around once in a while because I'm in the busy-ish neighborhood to see who's walking by staring at me like a weirdo. So I flip a lot of this stuff and sell it. I'm usually pretty busy doing that. It's a lot of fun. You can find some really cool stuff. I fixed a really great bike for one of my kids recently just because one of the tubes was shot in the bike. Otherwise, it was like a $300 bike that someone was throwing out because they didn't know how to fix the tube. Bicycles are really hot right now in terms of sales because everyone has time to ride, and that's what I'm getting at. I was talking with my friend and a couple people, and I think the reason that used stuff, selling your junk and whatever on Facebook Marketplace is doing so well right now is because a lot of people aren't going to stores. They don't want to be amongst crowds and putting themselves at risk, at least up near me. I live in a very, urban-ish area, heavily populated. So I actually know several people now personally who have died from COVID-19. I know some kids that have it. So it's a little different here than it might be in rural, that's a weird word, parts of the US. But people around here are not wanting to go to stores if they can help it. They like shopping local too, supporting local people. So they're buying stuff on Facebook Marketplace because they don't have to drive as far for whatever potentially. And they just can't get things otherwise because thrift shops, for those on a budget aren't open, secondhand stores, whatever shops just aren't open. So listen, now is the time, especially those of you downsizing, to get ready to build your tiny house because that's on the rise right now too. People are reevaluating their lifestyle. They want to live a more simple lifestyle. But now is the time to potentially liquidate that junk. I have sold more stuff than ever before to people, and things I don't think will sell all of a sudden are selling. Just as not junk, but just people are looking for stuff. They want to go secondhand. It's one-on-one interactions instead of waiting in line with 50 other people. And to be safe, you can leave the items outside honor system style, and people can drop the cash, under a flower pot, in a mailbox, wherever. So this is my just side recommendation here. Now is the time to sell that stuff, to liquidate, to downsize, make your money for whatever project, just to get rid of stuff, and potentially for your tiny house building project, because a lot of people are out there. I hear from all the time, I can't get work, I'm out of work. There's stuff everywhere to be found that you can flip and sell. So do it. The time is ripe now, and that's my word, my piece of advice for you guys. Hope it helps.